Are you bored of the conventional cooking styles and looking for something that can add unique flavoring to your cooking? It is time to get the best cold smoke generator. The cold smoke generator works under 85 degrees Fahrenheit, adding color and flavors to your food without actually cooking it. It helps you in smoking foods like cheese and sausages perfectly, which can spoil if cooked on too much heat. There are many products available to choose cold smoke generators, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cold smoke generators from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smokechief Cold Smoke Generator. This smoke generator from the Smokechief is highly efficient and versatile. It requires minimum fuel, that is 1 cup of wood pellets, and keeps producing cold smoke for up to 3 hours. The most attractive feature is that this smoke generator works effectively on wood pellets instead of wood chips and chunks. No doubt, wood pellets are far easier to find and cheaper to invest. This Smokechief smoke generator's mounting includes drilling an inch hole in the container or grill. The pipe from the smoke generator passes through this hole into the grilling frame or box. A narrower pipe requires a smaller hole for tight fitting, but it will raise clogging issues, and also easily folds prey to blocking. Hence, you will have to be very picky in selecting the type of wood pellets. Another brilliant feature of this cold smoke generator is that it supports both AC and DC input power. You can plug it to your standard home power outlets or connect it to a 12-volt DC power supply. So, you can take it along on camping, tailgating. This smoke generator can be used for hot smoke as well. You can also use this smoke generator in your car. Just attach this smoke generator with a 12-volt DC battery of your vehicle, and use it as a container. This portable is a must-have if you go for frequent camping. Number 2. Masterbuilt Slow Smoker. The Masterbuilt electric smoker is the wisest choice when you are intended to cook food over 200 F cold smoke. You can add a delicious aroma and subtle taste from this smoke generator in your food to treat your taste buds. Masterbuilt electric smoker is built for those who love to serve meals with marvelous aromatic experience combined with some mouthwatering texture added for intense appeal. The Masterbuilt electric smoker feeds on wood chips and provides cold smoke for up to 6 hours. You can enjoy uninterrupted cold smoke continuously for hours and cook whatever you like. The installation requires mounting it with a pre-installed digital smoker. Once the installation completes, you can push the power button. The ashes fall on a separate tray inside the smoker, making cleaning easy. This smoker is compatible with any wood chips, allowing you to choose your preferred choice of wood chips. If Masterbuilt electric smoker catches your interest, keep in mind that this smoker won't cook your food. So, make sure to cure meat before cooking it on a cold smoker. There is a difference between cooking food on hot smoke and cold smoke. The cold smoke does not keep the temperature good enough for cooking food. Hence, you can't cook your food over the cold flame, but yes, you can spice up your food over cold smoke after cooking. Number 3. Smoke Daddy Big Kahuna Cold Smoke Generator. The Big Kahuna is a passive cold smoke generator, and the best add-on for outdoor cooking. The construction consists of a small firebox with an air hose. Once you load the hopper with fuel, it generates a lot of smoke. Just make some adjustments, and enjoy hot or cold smoke whatever you like. The Big Kahuna from Smoke Daddy feeds on chunks and chips of any wood type, but sawdust and pellets will not work for it. Despite this, Big Kahuna is a good option for people who use wood. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.